Hi, I'm Mike from 1A Auto. We've been selling auto parts for over 30 years.
Hey everyone, Sue here from 1A Auto. Today we have a 2010 Murano in the shop, and we're going to be showing you how to do front sway bar links. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. I have the vehicle somewhat supported, 21mm socket, and I'm going to take the lug nuts off with some weight on the tires. I'm just going to break them free. This has a lock, wheel lock, so I've got the wheel lock key lined up. Now I'm going to raise my vehicle on 2-post lift. You can use a jack and jack stands at home. We'll take the tire off. Now the vehicle's in the air, and I could just take the lug nuts off by hand. Take the tire off. 19mm wrench on the inside of the factory link, and an 18mm socket on the nut. Let's see if we can break it free. Same on the top, 19mm for the inner to hold on to, 18mm socket on the out. Let's break this free. Here we have our brand new sway bar link from 1A Auto, and here we have the factory from our 2010 Nissan Murano. They're both the same length, sealed units. Comes with locking nuts. The nuts have knurl on the other side that grabs the middle, and it's one way, so it can't back off. Comes with a slotted stud, so you can put a wrench on there and hold it and tighten it down. If you need this part or any other part for your car, click on the link below and head on over to 1aauto.com. So you just line up the link, put it through the strut housing, and you can start the nut if you want. Now I'm going to put it through the actual sway bar itself. Might have to pry it. Just wiggle it around. And put the nut on. Okay, the new sway bar link is 18mm socket on the nut and a 20mm wrench on the inner side. We'll just snug them up, then we'll torque them to the factory specs. The specs is 58 foot-pounds. There we go. Now we'll snug the bottom one up. Now I'm going to torque it to the 58 foot-pounds. Now we're going to remount the tire. Put your 5 lug nuts on. I like to start the bottom one. That way I can snug it in and hold the rim steady. There we go. Even though I'm still doing it by hand, I always do everything in a star pattern. Just becomes a good habit. It keeps the rim snug up against the hub. Now we can lower it and torque it to the specs. 2010 Murano, the wheel torque is 80 foot-pounds. I'm going to put my wheel lock key on. Start in a star pattern, start on the bottom. One more time. Ready to go.
Thanks for watching. Visit us at 1aauto.com for quality auto parts, fast and free shipping, and the best customer service in the industry.